Welcome, beauty, and thank you for joining this beautiful live group yoni steam session. Steam baths have been created and renowned for giving a lot of nourishment to our womb space, as well as rectifying menstrual irregularities. In this workshop, I'm dividing it into three sections. The first section will be short and informative on the do's, don'ts, the hows and the whys of yoni steaming, as well as 4 major menstrual cycle irregularities that women face. We will then work together and I will facilitate you through a beautiful guided yoni steam practice, which will be no more than 20 minutes. And then we will come into a lying position on either the floor, the bed, or a couch, and I will guide us through a beautiful external womb and abdominal massage where you get to feel a toning and an invigorating of your beautiful sacred womb space. Do not worry if you do not have an elaborate setup. You can have as simple as a toilet with a bowl of hot water that fits inside it and some apple cider vinegar if you don't have herbs. Also listed in the workshop instructions is a link to a guided tutorial about how you can set up a yoni steam bath, and then when we meet we can do it all together. I've been running this for a number of years now, online and in person, and it is incredible at how easy it is to come deeply into your body and also learn so much about yourself from the inside out. Thank you.